Hello students, welcome to Professional Ethics and Indian Constitution class. In today's session, we will see the concept of human values. Okay, human values means these are the basic values. These are the basic values refer to those values which are at the core of being a human. Okay, these are inherent values. These human values are considered as inherent values. These are inherent values in humans. They include truth, honesty, loyalty, love, and peace, etc. Okay? Means telling truth, being honest, then being loyal, showing love or concern, and peace, having peace. These are some inherent values, inherent human values that should be inculcated by every human. That should inculcated by every human being. Okay, every human being should inculcate these basic values. These human values they bring out the fundamental goodness of human beings. Okay, the advantage of these values are they bring out the fundamental goodness of human beings as well as society at large scale. As a human being, you should inculcate these fundamental values. Next, we'll see importance of human values. Okay, what is the importance of basic human values? The first importance is these human values provide understanding of the attitudes, motivation, and behaviors. Okay, through this human value, we can understand the attitudes of an individual, then can also understand the motivation concept as well as behaviors of others. Okay, these human values will largely influence our perception. Perception meaning is seeing something. Okay, in the sense perspective view. It influences our perception of the world around us. Okay, it influences our viewpoint of the world. It influences our perception in the sense how we can see the world around us. What is the viewpoint of what is the viewpoint of individual? What is the perception? What is the perception or perspective of the world around us? This human values will influence this perception. Then it represents the interpretation of right and wrong. These human values will tell us what is wrong and what is right. Okay, these basic human values will give clear understanding as well as differentiation between what is right thing and what is wrong. Okay, what is right and what is wrong. It will give the clear meaning, understanding about right and wrong things or actions. Then the last importance is human values will provide a way to understand humans as well as organizations. Okay, it provides a path or a way to understand humans, other humans as well as organization or the environment around us. These are the four importance of human values. These human values will help us in understanding the attitudes, motivations as well as behaviors of others. Then it also influences our perception. It influences our perception of the world around us, ability to see. It influences our ability to see world around us, and it also represents the meaning of what is right and wrong. It will give the clear understanding about what is right and wrong. It will give the clear difference. It will clearly differentiate the right and wrong things. And lastly, it will provide a path or way to understand the humans as well as organizations and the environment around us. Okay. Next, we see the definition of morals and ethics. Okay. As a professional or as a human being, you should understand the definition of morals and ethics. First, we'll see the definition of moral. Morals means these are the welfare principles. These are the welfare principles or the guidelines given by the wise people. And these guidelines are based on their experience as well as wisdom. Wisdom meaning is knowledge. Okay. These morals are given by the wise people. And these morals are based on, dependent on their experience as well as wisdom. Based on the experience and knowledge, morals were created. Okay. These morals were edited, changed, or modified, or evolved. Okay. To suit the geography of the region, or the rulers, or the dynasty. Okay. The development of these morals, they are evolved based on the geography of the region, rulers, or the dynasty, or the kingdom. Morals can be edited, okay, based on time. Morals can be edited or it can be changed or modified. And these morals are modified in accordance with the development of the knowledge in the science as well as technology and with time. Okay. Morals means these are welfare principles or guidelines given by the wise people based on their knowledge as well as experience. These morals were edited, changed, modified. Okay, according with the development of science and technology and with time. Next, we'll see the concept called as morality. Morality means it is concerned with the principles or the guidelines and practices of the morals. Okay, morality means it is concerned with the principles and guidelines and the practices of the morals, such as what to be done or what ought to be done in a given situation. Means what as a professional or as a human being, what is to be done and what is not to be done in a given situation. Means if any situation comes, if in any situation what you have to do and what you have not to do. Okay, this is called as morality. Means in this situation, using some guidelines or the principles or the practices, you should handle the situation. This is called as morality. Okay. Then second example is what is right or wrong about handling of a situation. Means while handling any situation, you should consider some principles, guidelines, and the practices. Okay, and while handling any situation, you should choose the right and wrong. Okay, you should make the differences between right and wrong decisions. Okay, while handling any situations. As a human being or as a professional, you are capable of differentiating right and wrong decisions while handling any situations. And the third thing is what is good or bad about the people or the policies and ideas involved. Okay, means through these principles, practices of morals, as a human being or as a professional, you should make a difference between what is good and what is bad. You should take a decision about what is good or what is bad about other people or about any policies or any ideas. Okay. So this is called as morality. Morality means it is concerned with the principles and practices of the morals. Morals means well defined principles. Next we'll see the definition of ethics. Ethics means it is the word that refers to the morals, values, and beliefs of the individuals or family or the society. Okay, ethics is defined as ethics means these are morals, values, and beliefs of any individual person or any or the family or the society. Okay. Basically, it is an activity and it is a process of inquiry. Ethics means it is an activity and it is called as process of inquiry. Means asking, is searching for information. Inquiry means searching for information. Okay. Ethics refers to a particular set of beliefs, attitudes, and habits of individuals or a family or groups concerned with morals. Ethics is collectively called as the morals, values, beliefs, attitudes of the individual, family, or the society. It is an activity. Okay. Ethics refers to morally correct. The study of ethics, it helps to know the people's beliefs, values, morals, and learn the good and bad of them. Okay. The study of ethics, the advantage of ethics is the study of ethics helps in knowing the people's beliefs, attitudes, values, morals, and learn the good and bad about other people and practice them to maximize their well-being and happiness. Okay. The study of ethics helps in or the practicing of ethics helps in maximizing the happiness in life. Okay. Ethics involves the inquiry on the existing situation. Inquiring means searching the information, searching for information, inquiring process. Okay. Process of inquiry, process of asking questions, process of searching information. Okay. This ethics involves the inquiry on the existing situation and it also forms judgments. Then, using these judgments, it will create solutions for the problem. Then, finally, it will resolve the issues. Okay. By practicing ethics as a professional or as a human being, you can perform inquiry process, means searching for information. Then you can form judgments. You can form consistent judgments based on the real facts. Then you can also, through the moral communication as a human being, you can also search for alternative solutions. Then finally, you can resolve the moral issues occurred in the profession. Okay. Next, we'll see the difference between morality and ethics. Morality means it is more general and prescriptive. Okay, and this morality is based on customs and traditions. Whereas ethics means it is specific and descriptive. And these ethics are it is a it is this ethics is a critical reflection of morals. Critical reflection of well-defined principles. Okay. Morality is more concerned with the result of wrong action when done. Morality is more concerned with the result of wrong action when it is done. Whereas ethics is it is more concerned with the results of right action when not done. The third difference is trust. Trust means stress. Trust is given on judgment and punishment in the name of God or by laws. Whereas ethics means in ethics, trust or the stress is given on influence, education, training through the codes, guidelines, and correction. Okay. The fourth difference is in case of conflict between the two, means in case of conflict between the morality and ethics, morality is given top priority. Okay, morality is having highest priority compared to ethics because in morality damage is more and it is more common and basic. Okay, compared to ethics, morality is more common and basic thing. And in morality, damage is more. Whereas in ethics, when ethics is it is less serious, means damage is less. Hence, it is given second priority only, and it is less common. The fifth difference is in terms of example. Examples of morality is character flaw, then corruption and crime, as well as extortion. Okay. Extortion means blackmail. And flaw, character flaw means character defect, character fault, etc. These are these examples are these are of wrong actions. These are of examples of wrong actions because see here in the second example, morality means it is more concerned with the results of wrong action when it is done. Therefore, the examples are given here is character flaw, character fault, then corruption, extortion, blackmail, process of blackmail, and crime. Okay. The example given for the ethics is notions or beliefs about manners, taste, customs, as well as laws. Okay. These are the differences between morality and ethics. Morality is it is more general and prescriptive, and this morality is based on customs and tradition, whereas ethics means it is specific. It will give information about specific thing. It is more specific and descriptive, and it is a more reflection. It is a critical reflection of morals, means set of principles. Morality is more concerned with the results of wrong action when it is done, whereas ethics is concerned with the results of a right action when it is not done. Stress or the thrust is given on judgment and punishment in the name of God or by the laws. In ethics, the thrust or the stress is given on the influence, education, training, etc. Okay, if we compare morality and ethics, then the morality is given highest priority because this morality is it is very common and basic. It is basic thing, and in morality, damage is more. Okay. Whereas ethics is it is less serious. It is less common. Hence, it is given second priority. The fifth is in terms of example. Morality example is character flaw, character fault, corruption, extortion, and crime. Ethics examples are notions of the beliefs, manners, customs, etc.